In a world where data drives decisions, companies thrive or fail based on their ability to analyze data and trends. Whether it's improving business strategies, predicting consumer behavior, or uncovering hidden patterns, data analysis is the backbone of every tech-driven industry. And guess what? Learning data analysis isn't just for professionals in Silicon Valley. It's for anyone ready to supercharge their career or business. That includes you. But with so many resources out there, where do you even start? Well, stick around because I'm about to introduce you to the top YouTube channels that will help you master data analysis, one step at a time. Oh, and don't forget subscribe to LearnItVast to keep getting content that helps you unlock in-demand skills for your future. First up, we have TeachExcel, a goldmine for Excel beginners and experts alike. From simple spreadsheet tricks to complex VBA macros, this channel posts both long and short videos weekly to keep you learning and engaged. Next is Excel Campus, where Jana Campera simplifies Excel for everyone. With over 270 tutorials, you'll learn everything from beginner hacks to advanced tools, like creating personal macro workbooks. For bite-sized tutorials, head to Exceljet. Their quick, straightforward lessons cover Excel essentials like formulas, conditional formatting, and even shortcuts that can make your work lightning fast. And if you're aiming for a full-spectrum learning experience, ExcelisFun is the place to go. Whether you're a beginner or advanced user, their tutorials cover formulas, investment analysis, and even statistical data applications. Quick reminder, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from LearnItVast. Let's grow together. Now, shifting gears beyond Excel, Alex the Analyst brings over a decade of experience in data analytics. He's your go-to for mastering Power BI and Excel while providing career tips for data enthusiasts. For a career-focused deep dive, check out 365 Data Science. They offer courses and playlists on data analytics, data science, and business analytics tailored for career starters and lifelong learners alike. Finally, if you want a mix of industry news, trends, and hands-on tutorials, Ken G has got you covered. With a passion for AI and sports analytics, Ken simplifies even the most complex topics, making data science accessible and fun. Now, I want to hear from you. What are some YouTube channels that have helped you on your data analysis journey? Drop them in the comments so we can all learn and grow together. And there you have it, the best YouTube channels to kickstart your journey into data analysis. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to stay ahead of industry trends, these channels are packed with insights to level up your skills. If you found this helpful, tap the like button, share with your friends, and make sure to hit subscribe to stay updated with more top recommendations and tips on LearnItVast. Your journey to mastering in-demand skills starts now.